Right there, baby. Look at her. Have you got little hiccups? Huh? Have you got little hiccups? Are you thinking very hard? Huh? I'm a very pensive baby. Oh goodness. Oh no. Look at those little eyeballs. Yeah, look at those. Oh goodness. Oh goodness.
Coming back.
Here comes Grandma Fran. She's got her little eyes open, so I thought I'd take some video. Yeah, and she's got little baby hiccups. It's very sad, Grandma. It's very sad. She's doing good. I thought she'd freak out with hiccups, but she's kind of like, whatever.
Didn't she have them in the womb?
Yeah. I guess so. She's not seeming to be bothered. I had to capitalize on this moment.
Are they blue?
We don't know yet.
I think so.
I hope they'll be blue.
I think they are.
Papa's got optimism. I like it.
God, Papa's got a messy house and he's clean.
Papa needs to take a nap.
Did you hear what she got me? These.
Oh, the buttons. Hey, baby.
Buttons?
Baby girl.
They're.
Let's get a far out look.
I'm a
At the
doctor, not
beautifulness.
an escalator.
Look at that hair.
I'm a doctor, not a.
Magician.
Look at that little baby.
Yeah,
The little baby hand. Oh, goodness. Little baby hand. Little baby diaper.
Oh. Psychiatrist.
Look at this baby. Oh, look at that baby foot. Show off the feet, Addie. The purple. They're so... Oh.
She's had the purple feet.
They've been purple the whole... Oh, stretch it out. Stretch it out. Yeah. Now, the only people that will want to watch this video are people that are blood related to you, because no one else will care. Oh, goodness. Bless you. She's been sneezing. She sneezed a lot in the hospital. That's a normal baby thing, too. Yeah. Oh, and there's the... I haven't seen that so much. She's got a Popeye occasionally. This eye will close, and she'll just have the one, and she'll look at you with the angry eye. We had an outdoor outing today. Melissa took us to a little breastfeeding support group meeting, and then we went to Babies R Us, and then we went to Publix, and she slept the whole time. It was awesome, and slept for like 2 hours when we got home in her little car seat. And
What we need to do is get your base
in your car. Absolutely. It took us 5 minutes to figure out how to get the car seat out of the base, but we did. We did. We didn't know where the button was. It was very confusing. Yeah. And if we were smart, we would have napped while you were asleep. But we're not smart. Isn't that right? We did laundry and ate and laughed at silly people on TV with your Auntie Melissa. Yeah. Okay, you want some Grandma Fran love? Yes, I think you do. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye, bye. Oh, there's the Popeye. Hang on. There it was. Okay, bye now.